Hey everyone, you're looking at this because you're trying to figure out how to open the remote from a Samsung Frame TV. Beautiful remote, looks good and everything. Putting the TV up right now, it's all good, and thought we'd throw the batteries in here. And so what do? Well, you open up the back, there's a little arrow here, and you're supposed to press up. You take your thumbs and you press up and press up. Guess what? Nothing happens. I even tried to take this remote and use a pair of scissors and pry it open. Still didn't work. So how do you get this thing to open? What you do is you take the remote, put it between the palm of your hand on both sides, hold it tight, press it together, and then on the back side where the arrow is, you just press and push. And what happens? It opened up. And then you just take it and you just pull it the rest of the way open. And there you go. And that is how you have to do it, because these things are like trying to crack into a safe. So enjoy.